All of you observe. Formation of iron sulphide, once the reaction starts, it will produce more heat and light. This is only what we used to call, actually, it is only form of energy. Yes or no? Yes, everybody? Is it a form of energy or not? Now, some reactions it will take, they will take the heat energy. Some reactions, they will release the heat energy. So, is it a property of compound or not? Is it a property of compound or not? Yes?
No.
Yes, it is a property, boy. If the heat is released or heat is absorbed during the reaction, then that is called as chemical change or physical change. Everybody, class 7th, you studied. Chemical change or physical change. Heat is absorbed or heat is taken out.
Chemical.
It is called as chemical change. That is why formation of compound is a chemical change or physical change. Formation of compound. Formation of compound is what change, guys? Physical change or chemical change? Chemical change. Right.
Chemical change.
Yeah. Energy is usually either given out. Energy is usually. Energy means what, guys? What is the energy, Mitakshri? Heat, light, understand? And etc. Heat, light you can take. Okay. That is what, etc. Given out. Usually either given out, usually either given out or absorbed during the preparation, or absorbed during the preparation, of a compound. So ready, is it a physical change or chemical change? That is what my question. Is it a physical change or chemical change? Johan, Harini, it is the chemical change. Okay. So the formation of compound is a what change? Everybody. Mitakshri, the formation.
Chemical change.
The formation of a compound is chemical change. Is it okay, all of you? That's all. Okay, write it. Any doubt? This is the third property. Next, what property, Amma? Write it. Take time and write. 2 minutes, 1 minute. So next property, fourth one or fifth one, Hari? Fourth one, correct? Yeah. Write it. Clear? Completed, let me know. Now, as I told you, what is the mass ratio of water? Anybody can tell what is the mass ratio of water? Fixed proportion. Read the definition. What is what? Always proportion by fixed proportion by mass. Yes or no, Akilan? Mitakshri? That is what. So that is only. So right. The composition of a compound is fixed. The composition of a compound fixed. The constituents are present in a. The constituents present in a fixed proportion. Fixed proportion by what? Fixed proportion by what?
By mass.
By mass. So now, for example, if you take Pudukkottai water, if you go Chennai, if you go Andhra, what is the water formula? If you go anywhere in the world, what is the formula of water? Anywhere in the world. What is the water? Only H2O only. Is it from place to place changing? Water formula?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it place to place water formula is changing, Mitaksri? It's not.
No, sir.
So everywhere, what is the ratio? 2:1. And what is the mass ratio? Mass ratio, what is that? We studied.
1:8.
Understanding? It is already fixed.
Only
Yes
state.
or no? How it is? 2 into 1U is to 1 into 16U, which is equals to 2U is to 16U. So which is equals to what?
1:8.
1:8 ratio. So this is what by mass. Yes or no? So if you check anywhere in the world, always what is the mass ratio in water? 1:8 only. Yes or no? And is it water formula is changing from place to place or remains same? Remains same or changing? Remains same. Or else. Now, let me take now the compound which we prepared. What is the compound which we prepared now? Second example. This is example 1. This is example 2. Second compound. What is that? Iron sulphide. Understanding? So what is the formula of iron sulphide? Mitaksri, Harini, Johan, I am keep on asking but no response. Please don't join in meeting if like this means. I will say to mother, no issues. So what is the iron sulphide formula? Okay. Now if you notice it, its ratio is, if it is prepared by heating together of 7 parts by mass of iron and 4 parts by mass of sulfur. What is that? Prepared by 7 parts of what? 7 parts by mass of iron. 7 parts by mass of iron. I will say you why. And 4 parts by what, guys? By sulfur. Understand? Please respond. Mass of sulfur. Or understand, Hari? So what is the mass ratio? Anybody can tell? What is the mass ratio? Iron sulfide. 7:4. Understanding mass ratio. Sir, how it is coming? Can I say it, Amma, now? Mitaksri? Yes. Atomic masses. Atomic masses of iron is atomic masses. Atomic masses of iron, if we'll take iron Fe:S. Is it yes or no? 1:1 ratio. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Element ratio is 1:1. Now, iron atomic mass is 56 units. How much it is?
56.
And sulfur is 32 units. Sulfur is how much? 32 units. Now divide with some table. Both will go with some table. Let me see who will say.
32.
Yes. 8 table. Understanding? So if you divide with 8 table, you will get it. So what is the atomic mass of iron? Iron is 56U. Sulfur is 32U. So if you divide, what is the mass ratio? Please respond. 8
7:4.
7s are and 8 1s are 8 4s are, which is equals to what? 7:4. So whatever the iron sulfide compound you prepared, in the 7 parts will be iron mass and 4 parts will be what mass? 4 parts will be what mass? What mass? It is sulfur mass. Okay, next. So is it with, they will melt with the same temperature, different temperature? That is what my first question. Next point. 5th property. 4th property over. Now 5th property. Is it they will melt with the same property, same temperature, different temperature? Compounds, yeah. Compounds melts at a different temperature. Iron sulfide melts at a definite temperature. So is it having a fixed boiling point and melting point, or variable melting point and boiling point? Fixed or not? Compound has a fixed melting point, boiling point, etc. Compound has a fixed melting point, melting and boiling point. What is the example? Water, tell me. We already studied in the chapter 1. Example, water. Example, water, tell me. Water melting point. at the age of 0 degrees Celsius? Yes or no? Nobody will respond. And what is the boiling point of water? Vitakshri, ready? 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmosphere pressure. So that is what. So everywhere water having the same melting point and boiling point. Yes or no? Yes,
sir.
that's all. And is it a homogeneous or heterogeneous substance? Compound. Suppose I have been prepared, last property, Amma. I have been prepared this much iron sulphide. Now, if I'll take this part sample, this part second sample, now this part I have taken third sample. Now everywhere, is it having same composition or different composition? I want it.
Same composition,
Different
sir.
composition.
So here also iron sulphide, here also iron sulphide, here also iron sulphide. So is it a homogeneous or heterogeneous? Yeah. Homogeneous. That is what. Understanding? No separate particles is present. So there is no barricades. We cannot see the boundaries. So that is why compound is a homogeneous substance. Compound is a, what is that, guys? Homogeneous substance. That is what you have to remember. So example, iron sulphide you can take. So iron sulphide, we'll see with a magnifying glass. We'll see with a magnifying glass. Is it possible to see the boundaries? No separate particles of iron and sulfur. No separate particles of iron and sulfur. Is it okay, everyone? Yes, please. That's all.
Yes,
This is what about the properties of compound. Any doubt? Totally how many properties? Mitakshri? Totally 6 properties of iron and sulfur. The same properties is applicable for compounds also. So let it be. This is all about properties of compounds. In next class, we'll study differences between mixtures and compounds. So with this, I will stop the today's class. Hope all are understand. So thank you, everybody. I will meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.